Welcome back to Sincere Pursuit. Fasting has long been a practice associated with various cultures, religions, and health philosophies. Its resurgence in modern times has sparked significant interest, not only for spiritual reasons, but also for its potential health benefits. As we delve into the multifaceted world of fasting, we will explore its advantages, the science behind its effects on the body, and practical guidelines for safely incorporating fasting into one's lifestyle. At its core, fasting involves abstaining from food and, in some cases, drink for a specified period. Research has shown that fasting can lead to a multitude of health benefits, ranging from physical to mental improvements. One of the most celebrated benefits of fasting is its potential to promote weight loss. When the body is deprived of food, it begins to utilize stored fat for energy, leading to a decrease in body weight. A study published in the journal Obesity found that intermittent fasting, in particular, can lead to significant reductions in body weight and fat mass, especially when combined with a healthy diet. Moreover, fasting has been shown to improve metabolic health. During fasting, insulin sensitivity improves, allowing the body to use glucose more effectively. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals at risk of type 2 diabetes. A study in Cell Metabolism highlighted that alternate-day fasting improved insulin sensitivity and reduced markers of inflammation, suggesting that fasting can play a role in preventing chronic diseases. In addition to metabolic benefits, fasting has been linked to enhanced cardiovascular health. Research indicates that fasting can lead to reductions in blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and triglycerides, all of which are risk factors for heart disease. A comprehensive review in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology noted that individuals who practice fasting tend to have lower incidences of cardiovascular disease, attributing this to the beneficial effects of fasting on lipid profiles and blood pressure regulation. Fasting also has profound effects on cellular repair and longevity. When fasting occurs, the body initiates autophagy, a process where cells remove damaged components and regenerate themselves. This cellular rejuvenation is crucial for maintaining health and preventing the onset of age-related diseases. A landmark study published in Nature demonstrated that fasting can extend lifespan in various organisms, suggesting that similar effects may be observed in humans, although more research is needed. Mental health is another area where fasting shows promise. Many individuals report enhanced clarity, focus, and mood stability during fasting periods. This may be partially due to the release of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that supports neuron growth and function. A study in Neuroscience and Biobehavioral Reviews indicated that fasting could increase BDNF levels, potentially leading to improved cognitive function and a lower risk of neurodegenerative diseases. While the benefits of fasting are compelling, it is essential to approach it with caution and awareness. Individuals considering fasting should be mindful of their health status and consult healthcare professionals, especially those with pre-existing conditions such as diabetes, eating disorders, or heart issues. It's also crucial to recognize that fasting is not suitable for everyone, particularly pregnant or breastfeeding women, children, and individuals with certain medical conditions. When embarking on a fasting regimen, there are several steps and precautionary measures to take. Firstly, choose a fasting method that aligns with your lifestyle. Intermittent fasting, which typically involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, is one of the most popular approaches. Common methods include the 16-8 method, where individuals fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window, and the 5-2 method, which involves eating normally for 5 days and significantly reducing calorie intake on 2 non-consecutive days. It is crucial to stay hydrated during fasting periods. Water, herbal teas, and black coffee are generally acceptable and can help mitigate hunger pangs. However, it is advisable to avoid sugary drinks, as they can spike insulin levels and counteract the benefits of fasting. Listening to your body is essential. If you feel dizzy, excessively fatigued, or unwell, it may be necessary to break the fast or adjust the fasting schedule. Post-fasting nutrition plays a critical role in maximizing the benefits of fasting. After a fasting period, it is best to break the fast with a balanced meal that includes proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Foods such as lean meats, eggs, avocados, nuts, seeds, and whole grains can provide the necessary nutrients for recovery. It is wise to avoid heavy, processed, or sugary foods immediately after fasting, as they can lead to digestive discomfort and negate the positive effects of fasting. In addition to the benefits, fasting also has its disadvantages. For some, fasting can lead to irritability, fatigue, and difficulty concentrating, particularly during the initial adjustment period. These symptoms often diminish as the body adapts to the new eating pattern. However, individuals with a history of eating disorders should exercise extreme caution, as fasting can trigger unhealthy behaviors or exacerbate existing issues. Moreover, fasting may not be suitable for everyone. Those with certain medical conditions may experience adverse effects, such as hypoglycemia in diabetics or nutrient deficiencies in individuals who do not consume a balanced diet. It is crucial to approach fasting with a mindset of awareness and self-care, ensuring that it enhances overall well-being rather than detracts from it. Fasting can also affect physical performance, particularly for athletes or those engaged in regular intense exercise. While some individuals report improved endurance and focus during fasting, others may experience decreased energy levels and performance. It is essential to listen to your body and adjust fasting periods accordingly, especially if physical activity is a significant aspect of your lifestyle. As we consider the effects of fasting on the body, it is essential to recognize the importance of food choices before and after fasting. Prior to fasting, consuming a balanced meal rich in fiber, healthy fats, and protein can help sustain energy levels and reduce hunger during the fasting period. Foods such as oatmeal, quinoa, lentils, and vegetables are excellent choices. These foods provide essential nutrients and help stabilize blood sugar levels, making the fasting experience more manageable. Post-fasting, as previously mentioned, it is crucial to focus on nutrient-dense foods that support recovery and replenish the body. Incorporating a variety of fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats can promote overall health and well-being. It is also advisable to avoid overeating after a fast, as this can lead to discomfort and negate the benefits achieved during the fasting period. Fasting presents a wealth of potential health benefits, from weight loss and improved metabolic health to enhanced mental clarity and cellular repair. However, it is essential to approach fasting with caution and mindfulness, considering individual health needs and circumstances. By choosing appropriate fasting methods, staying hydrated, and focusing on nutritious food choices, individuals can safely explore the advantages of fasting while minimizing potential drawbacks. As with any lifestyle change, it is advisable to consult healthcare professionals and listen to one's body, ensuring that fasting becomes a positive and enriching experience. Thanks for watching yet another epic episode of Sincere Pursuit. Subscribe if you find this channel informative and spread the word.